In Scratch Game Jam number 7, the theme was your control time. There are many games related to the time control. Many wonderful works were created in this jam. In this video, I have selected 6 games. Let's take a look together. The number 8 Scratch Game Jam has officially started registration. The link is in the description, don't miss it. This game is just like its name, very unique and charming. The game is full of neon-colored pixel art, which is very attractive. And of course, there is also fun gameplay. This work uses the mechanism of changing seasons and set various puzzles. Although the level is not too long, it's enough to leave a deep impression. The unique 3D perspective of work also added point. This challenging game is not easy. In the game, the ability of control time is limited. You need to make reasonable plans and challenge impossible obstacles. If you want to challenge yourself, you can give it a try. Don't be fooled by its simple appearance. The mechanism of this game is very interesting. You can control time and triggers to allow the character to move between different islands and finally reach the finished point. It looks very simple, but if you try it yourself, you will definitely like it. You can also use time to control the rotation of sun and moon. This game cleverly uses the switch between day and night, combined with the design of underground game scenes, making the game full of freshness. The character design of this game is very cool, and the gameplay is just like some fighting games, which is very fun. The overall style makes me feel very happy, looking forward to see more works in this style. The links to these works are all in the description. It's worth a try. Of course, there are many great works. The creativity of these participants is amazing. I hope to see everyone's new work in the upcoming Scratch Game Jams, and I hope you can participate and create together with everyone. Don't forget to participate in the number 8 Scratch Game Jam. Like, subscribe. See you next time.